Good day. Today we will review Keter folding table workbench for miter saw stand. Please watch till end of this video, so we will help you to make the purchasing decision, and if this product is good or not. Let's talk about features that makes this best seller. Resin construction. Made of heavy-duty resin with aluminum legs and a workspace capacity of 1000 lbs. Durable and strong. Weather-resistant polypropylene construction prevents rusting, peeling, and denting. Less than 30-second setup. Unique quick opening and folding system for easy storage and portability. Less than 30 lbs. With its lightweight design and sturdy carrying handle, take your workbench just about anywhere. Easy storage. Folds down to 4.4 inches thick for easy storage in a pinch. Accessories included. Includes two 12-inch clamps to secure a variety of working materials. Versatile use. Perfect for any kind of project. DIY projects, home improvement, commercial construction work, painting, table saw use and more. Buyer's rating by feature. Rated 4.6 for sturdiness. Rated 4.6 for portability. Rated 4.7 for easy to fold. Rated 4.8 for easy to assemble. Rated 4.8 for instruction quality. 9,913 satisfied buyers. Overall 4.7 star rated. User reviews. We checked hundreds of reviews from buyers and selected few of critical reviews, which helps you to make your buying decision. For full review, please check the link in description. $9,913 happy buyers. Top selling product in market. Overall 4.7 star rated. 94% buyers has 0 complaints. Our final verdict is strong buy. Please let us know your valuable thoughts about our review video in comments. Also like and subscribe. Thank you.